now with all the markets. We see as the new week begins, Bitcoin and crypto market has seen a bounce that could provide new momentum. Bitcoin price has managed to break above the resistance area of around $17,000 for the first time in 3 weeks, and was trading at $17,226 as of early trade this morning. Ethereum is up about 3.6% over the last 24 hours and is trading at $1,309. So we see those markets looking quite good. Some euphoria, coming with Bitcoin and crypto market hanging by a thread, this week, as two events in particular, could determine how prices develop this week. Talking about the issue, the Cameron Winklevoss deadline for digital currency group. That's, going to bring some volatility for the markets. And we also have, inflation data coming out in the U.S. So let's look at the sentiment this morning. There sees 25 points. We're seeing fear, extreme fear actually in this market, 25 over 100. So we're seeing traders getting more afraid in the crypto market. Let's look at the market cap this morning. There we see it's going deeper into the $800 billion level, up 2.97% this morning. Volume traded up a big 94.11%, almost 100% volume was seen this morning. Bitcoin dominance, 39.06%. Let's look at the price of Bitcoin this morning. Now we see Bitcoin trading there above $17,000 this morning. Quite a big move there, $17,195. They get to $17,200, above that, up 1.47%. Let's bring in my guest now, Mary Jane, who may now DeFi analyst there to join us via Zoom. Great to have you on the show. Hello, Mary Jane.
Hello.
Yeah, Mary Jane, great to have you. And, obviously in 2022 was all about decentralized finance, DeFi. And obviously, we know proponents are still talking about DeFi taking over, the crypto space. What would you say are the risks to DeFi in 2023?
Okay. I think based on the speculations, based on the news that happened on 2022, the back-to-back lashes of a lot of loopholes, a lot of acts, over $3 billion has been lost due to the risk, right? The DeFi acts that have happened on DeFi. Now, it obviously goes down to actually tell us, will DeFi still be trusted? Because we are alleging it as an evolution of financial markets, an evolution for a store of value, all right? DeFi is giving us and providing us an improved financial activity where you can lend, where you can borrow, where you can do every single financial activity that we all know, the traditional finance and even more. But the fear, all right, the vulnerability actually undermines the financial freedom it brings, which is obviously the acts and the vulnerabilities, the security breach. Now, one thing we need to understand is DeFi is not actually run by a trusted third party. It is run by a smart contract. And in as much we call it smart contract is as smart as the developer that deployed it. So let's say there's a smart contract being run on a particular protocol or a particular product. It is as smart as the developer who deployed it. So it doesn't mean there won't be loopholes. It doesn't mean there won't be vulnerabilities. It depends on the ability of that particular deployer that deployed the smart contract to see the loopholes. And that's why hackers comes in, because there would always be vulnerabilities on smart contracts. And that's why we keep on talking about smart contract auditing, because there's a lot. Cryptocurrency provides us future to financial system. It provides us future to financial freedom, and we shouldn't be at the verge of security, all right? Because now, the reason why we still have fear in the crypto market currently now is because of the back-to-back activities in 2022, the loss of money. So if you say I should leave the financial market, the traditional financial market, where I trust that the government provides security in our fiat, so I save it in the bank, I should be able to save my DeFi product, my DeFi coins, my DeFi project for 2 to 3, 4, 5 years. But we have seen with time, DeFi is actually new, all right? It's still in an emerging state. So I believe that every single thing that we are seeing, every single resistance we are seeing, it will influence, all right? It's will I call it a strategic move to influence what the future of DeFi will be. So all these resistance, all these problems, all these cons that we are seeing is a way to tell DeFi builders to actually build more solutions to actually devoid those problems that we are seeing. So now the fear in the crypto market is, can I hold a DeFi project for 3 years? The same way we can hold our financial fiat for 3 years, save it in. All right, those are the fear. Because now we have seen back-to-back loss of money from the DeFi space, from the crypto space, and all in a bit, all of them are due to security vulnerabilities.
Right.
So if I am
all right, Mary
what
Jane.
you have meant to see.
Okay, Mary Jane. Well, so a lot to look out for, obviously, in 2023 for DeFi. But we'll continue the conversation another time. We've run out of time, right now. Thank you so much, Mary Jane.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.